to the nearest number, we need to know our place value and we need to memorize what our bossy numbers are. For our first example, we're going to be rounding our numbers to the nearest hundreds place. So our number just to the right of that, which will be our tens place, will be our bossy number in this case. Our bossy numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those tell us to keep the number in the place value, which is our hundreds place this time, in the exact same number. If our bossy number is a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it tells us to increase our rounding number, in this case the hundreds place, by 1. So let's look at a couple of examples. In our first example, 1 is in the hundreds place and our 2 is our bossy number. So we're going to take a look at 2 tells us to keep the 1 the same. Our hundreds place will stay the same. So we write down the 1, keeping it the same, and then the other 2 digits are replaced with zeros. So 129 will end up rounding to 100. In our next example, 4 is in the hundreds place, and so that makes 8 our bossy number. An 8 tells us to increase our number we're rounding by 1. So the 4 becomes 1 more, which makes it a 5. And then the other 2 digits are replaced with zeros. So 481 will round to 500. In our final example, we have an 8 in the hundreds place, which means the 6 is our bossy number. A 6 tells the 8 to become 1 more. 1 more than 8 will be a 9. And then the other 2 numbers are going to be replaced with zeros. So 869 will round to 900.